Do you want Kali Linux tools on your Windows PC right now? You can start in 5 minutes. No dual boot, no virtual machine, just Windows and a few clicks. Fast, safe way to run Kali apps on Windows. Simple words and clear steps. Real commands and exact menu names. Follow this and you will run Kali tools inside Windows in minutes. Let's get started. Kali runs many security tools for testing and learning. Proof demo early. Exact install flow coming up. Enable WSL. Install Kali from the Microsoft Store. Update packages, run tools, GUI options like WinKex. Safety and legal use covered. Kali Linux is a special Linux release made for security work. It bundles many tools for testing networks and systems. People use it for vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, research. Kali is maintained by Offensive Security. It's updated regularly. Not a casual desktop OS like Ubuntu. It focuses on security tools. You might want Kali to run nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark. These tools help you find open ports, analyze traffic, test services. Kali packages come pre-configured for security work. That saves time versus installing tools one by one. Running Kali alongside Windows keeps your main system unchanged. Windows is where most people work every day. Many tools and apps live on Windows. Running Kali in Windows means you keep your familiar environment. You can copy files between Windows and Kali easily. There is no need to reboot to use Kali tools. That saves time and reduces friction. You may not want a dual boot or a full VM. Dual boot requires partitioning and reboots. A VM needs more RAM and disk space. WSL is lighter and faster. It launches quickly and uses fewer resources. This makes it ideal for quick tests. Here's a short demo to prove Kali tools run inside Windows. Open the Kali app from the Start menu after installation. In the terminal, run a package update first. Type sudo apt update. Type sudo apt install nmap. Y that installs nmap quickly. Now run a scan on a device you own. Type nmap v a 192.168.1.1. Replace the IP with a device you control. You will see nmap detect open ports and services. The output shows host status. The output shows open ports. The output shows service names. This confirms a Kali app running in Windows. If you get results, the setup worked. If the command fails, check internet, check the apt update output. Use sudo before apt commands to gain root rights. This proof is safe when you scan your own device. You need a Windows 10 PC. You need a Windows 11 PC. You need an internet connection. You need admin access to your PC to enable WSL. You also need a few minutes and some patience. That is all. High-level steps are simple. First, turn on WSL. Second, install Kali from the Microsoft Store. Third, update packages and install tools. Fourth, run tools and optional GUI with WinKex. Follow each step in order. I will give exact commands and menu names. For example, open PowerShell as admin. Run WSL, install. Open Microsoft Store. Search for Kali Linux. Open Kali from the Start menu. Set a user. These exact steps prevent confusion. Keep this list handy while you work. Open PowerShell as administrator. Right-click the Start button. Choose Windows Terminal, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin. In the admin window type, WSL, install, press enter. Windows will enable required features and download a Linux kernel. If Windows asks you to restart the PC. After reboot, WSL is ready. If you already have WSL, you can skip the install command. To check WSL status, run WSL status. On older Windows builds use dism commands. Type dism, online, enable feature, feature name, virtual machine platform, all, nor start. Then type dism, online, enable feature, feature name, Microsoft Windows, subsystem, Linux, all, nor start. Restart after both commands. These exact commands enable hypervisor and WSL components. If you prefer WSL2 specifically, run WSL set default version 2. That ensures better compatibility for GUI apps and performance. Keep these commands handy. Open Microsoft Store from the Start menu. In the Store search box, type Kali Linux. Click the result labeled Kali Linux. Click Get or Install. Wait for the install to finish. Open Kali from the Start menu by typing Kali and pressing Enter. The app will finish setup on first run. You will see a prompt to create a new user. Enter a username. Enter a password. Remember these credentials for sudo. If the app shows a shell prompt, you are in Kali. Run sudo apt update. Check package lists. If you see errors, check your internet connection. Check Windows Defender firewall settings. Next, update and install tools like nmap, WinKeyX. Inside Kali terminal, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. This downloads updates and upgrades packages. It may take a few minutes. Keep an eye on prompts and press enter if asked. Install a tool like nmap with sudo apt install nmap y. Then run a quick scan nmap va192.168.1.1. Replace the IP with a device you own. You will see open ports and service banners in the output. For GUI apps, install WinKeyX with sudo apt install y Kali WinKeyX. Start it by typing kex. WinKeyX opens a Kali desktop in a window. You can also use light mode. Kex Slim. GUI apps like Wireshark run here. Burp runs here. To access Windows files, use mnt. For example, your C drive is at mntc. Copy files with CP or GUI file managers inside WinKeyX. Keep tools updated regularly to stay secure. Always use tools legally and ethically. Quick recap of the steps. 1. Enable WSL. WSL. Install or DSM commands. 2. Install Kali from Microsoft Store. 3. Open Kali and create a user. 4. Update, sudo apt update, and in sudo apt upgrade, y. 5. Install tools like nmap, sudo apt install nmap, y. 6. Optionally install WinKeyX, sudo apt install y Kali WinKeyX, and run Kex. Follow these in order. Next actions to build skills. Practice nmap scans on your own router and VMs. Learn Wireshark in a lab to inspect traffic safely. Explore Metasploit and other tools in isolated environments. Consider reading the Kali docs and how-to geek articles for deeper steps. You can be up and running in 5 minutes on a modern PC. Only scan networks and devices you own or have permission to test. If you want, try a script to automate installs. You are ready to explore Kali tools on Windows.